Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best privacy browser for iPhone that you can get right now. Now it's important to say that third-party browsers cannot use their own rendering engines but must rely on Apple's framework. This requirement limits the privacy-related features, okay? And also, the Apple iOS environment forces all browsers on iOS to use a WebKit rendering engine, and this is the same engine that powers Safari. But what are the kind of like the best ones right now? These were like the important things. The first one, Brave browser, so it blocks ads and has ability to block trackers. Brave for iOS now protects against fingerprinting by adding small amounts of randomization to fingerprintable APIs rather than disabling them. A built-in ad blocker, Brave Search, Privacy Hub dashboard. So it's also open source, so I'm a huge fan of Brave, by the way. Now, some websites of course may break with the aggressive ad blocking. Also, crypto Web3 features may not appeal to everyone, but this is the first one. Then another one that you can check out is Firefox Focus. So this is kind of like the privacy browser, and you can see it right here in the Apple Store right here. So this is another one that you can actually like check out for yourself. This is kind of like the second in row. You can block ads, also analytics and trackers. Firefox Focus boldly block ads, analytics, and the social media trackers. One-tap browsing history erase can work as a Safari content blocker. No tabs, single page focus. So this is like I really like about Firefox Focus, and I'm a huge fan of the company too. Of course, there is like not going to be any affiliate links or anything. This is just providing value for you. So you can have dedicated privacy browser with automatic tracking, protection, and ad blocking. Open source, extremely lightweight, perfect for quick private searches, can enhance Safari's privacy. The cons is that you don't have tabs. You know how we have it like in Safari or Chrome, for example. No bookmarks, and can be your only browser. So that's like the second one. Then also the third one is a DuckDuckGo. So user-friendly search engine, built-in email protection features, simple clean interface, one-tap data clear. Now the cons, the browser takes steps to prevent third parties from viewing your IP address but doesn't technically hide it. Less customizable than Bravo, let's say, and no Tor integration and limited advanced features. So primarily check these three out. I want to make this like really quick and effective video for you, like what is actually good one. Hope this video provided you value. Let me down below in the comments what you use or what you're planning to use. I'm curious about it, and have a great day and goodbye.